based on the video that I watched earlier, the situation is it involves the use of AI in call center operations, which aims to make more efficient, improving customer service and streamline processes. AI can help with handling customer inquiries, analyzing data, and providing support to human agents.
So, in my own understanding, the situation in the video is about use of AI technology in call centers. It's about the technologies that operates within call centers and utilizing various AI systems to interact with different type of customers, whether local or internationals. They can use AI technologies for these interactions, and it's also discussed how AI is replacing agents.
So using AI platforms has been transforming industry significantly with both positive and negative effect. In the industry effect, it can increase efficiency through the use of chatbots, 24/7 support, and other AI platforms. The negative effect is job displacement, customer frustration, and other data privacy concerns.
Basically, the video says that AI is making call centers smarter and faster. It handles simple questions using smartphone systems and chatbots, saving you time. It can also detect voicemails and understand your emotions. This means quicker help for you, and agents can focus on more complex issues.
There are difficulties that might arise in this integration. One major challenge is that its employee might resist the changes. To help with this, companies could offer training sessions and workshops to make easier for employees to adapt the new technologies. Another issue related is data privacy, which can be addressed by making sure that the companies follow the data protection regulations and have strong security measures in place to protect the customer information.
For the next question is, what difficult might arise and how could they be solved? So in call center agent, using AI is having some difficulties and some challenges. Example of that is dealing with complex questions and data securities and privacies interactions with legacy systems, customers acceptance and trust, and reducing AI bias. So for the solutions of that is define objectives and place implementations, employee development and training, and monitoring performance and seamless integrations. So through overcoming these challenges and implementing good solutions, call centers can successfully use AI to improve customers' experience and business success.
The difficulties might arise is automation can lead to fear job loss or resistance from employees who will threatened by AI. And it will solve by create a new role focused on supervising AI performance and customer insight.
AI in call centers can feel robotic, make mistakes with complex issues, and be biased. Solutions for this involve combining AI with human agents, improving AI's understanding, and unbiased AI training.
There are already companies that might experiencing these situations, like Sendex. They use AI tools to assist customer representatives by providing insights and automating routine tasks.
So for the third question, can you think of a company or situation where this might already be happening? I think this is happening in telecom industry or telecom business. I think there are times or there are some situations that telecom company is using AI to interact with the customers when they having a problem or having a trouble. Um, the AI or the AI technology is answering some questions for customers in telecom industry. So telecom company are just a few examples of many business in the Philippines that are adapting to AI technology to improve their customer service operations.
So there is a company named Vodafone and integrate the chatbots with their legacy CRM and billing system, which cause delay and inconsistency. The difficulties faced is customer frustration with AI, employee concern, and the solution applied is allowing handoffs from AI to human agent to improve customer satisfaction.
For example, Amazon. Amazon uses AI chatbots for basic customer service like order tracking. For more complex issues, they connect you with a real person. The AI handles the easy stuff, then the humans handle the rest.